Hello and welcome to Excel tutorial. I would like to show you in this video two different ways to generate random numbers in Microsoft Excel. The first method is to generate sets of integers between -10 and +10. So to do that, we type and select randbetween. The randbetween function allows us to do that. We type -10 followed by comma and 10. These two figures are going to form our minimum and maximum values where we like our random numbers to be placed. We hit our enter key, then we drag right or we drag below depending on how many numbers we would like to generate. Then the second option, it's going to generate for us numbers greater than 0 but less than 1. To do so, we type equal sign and select rand function. The rand function allows us to do just that. Then we drag right or drag below to generate as much numbers as we want. After selecting this, to generate more numbers, we click on calculate option on the formula tab. The more we click on this, the more numbers we generate. So if you are running a project that you would like to generate sets of random numbers, no matter the count, all you need to do is to use the rand function in Microsoft Excel. Do not forget to like the video and share with your friends. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you'll be notified whenever a video is posted. Thank you.